Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use sections and scroll points in Carrd. Using sections and scroll points in Carrd allows you to create smooth, organized one-page websites with clean navigation and a professional user experience. Instead of building multiple pages, you can divide a single page into structured sections and link directly to specific parts of the site. To start, open your Carrd editor and identify where you want to create separate sections. In Carrd, sections are created using containers. Add a new container element to act as a section divider. You can do this by clicking on the plus button on the top, then clicking on Control. As you can see, the type of container is a section break, so now we're going to rename it to what we want. We're going to rename it as Section 10 with no spaces in between, and then click on Done. You can move it, customize its background color, spacing, and padding to visually separate it from other parts of the page. Create a secondary section break to see the difference and rename it as Section 11. We're going to add an element, a table in this case, to see the section break separating them. Next, to create a scroll point, click on the Add button and again click on Control. Go to the type and choose Scroll Point from the drop-down list. Assign it a name. This name acts as an anchor that you can link to. Once your scroll point is created, you can connect it to navigation buttons or menu links. Add a button element or edit your navigation menu, then set the link type to scroll point and choose the name you assigned earlier. Now, when visitors click that button or menu item, the page will smoothly scroll to that exact section. This creates a seamless browsing experience without loading a new page. Sections and scroll points are especially useful for landing pages, portfolios, service pages, or personal websites where you want users to move through content naturally. You can guide visitors from your hero section to services, testimonials, pricing, and contact, all within one structured flow. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.